Hey y'all, I just started another free trial. This is my fourth free trial and my seventh FTMO account. So as you can see, I haven't started yet. So like they the start date, it starts when whenever you place your first trade, and then it starts counting from there. So it's pretty empty. So yeah, that's it. So I got the 100K account, and this is what it looks like. So we'll see what happens in the next 2 weeks. Hey y'all, I just wanted to come on here real quick to I guess talk about this. So I wanted to show, I guess, in real time, like how I'm feeling, because I didn't want to like record this. Like I usually record my videos like the end of the week, but I just wanted to come on in real time to show this because this is like real. I know people always talk about, the demo account, like you don't feel any emotions and stuff, but I I definitely do. So I've been working on my emotions. I just started this account actually today, right? And it's 8:25 Central Time, and I think I'm done for the day because I was in three trades and I lost all three, so I lost about 0.8% of my account so far. So I want to keep my losses below 1% to 1.5%. Yeah, so as you can see the curve, it looks terrible. I lost, like I said, $814 so far, and I'm just gonna go through the trades that I lost. It says yeah, I did take 4 trades, and it says 22 lots. But again, if you haven't watched me before with oil, I have to like more than double the lot. So one lot on gold is the same as oil on FTMO. So I took these trades. I took a trade on NAS 100, one on gold. I probably shouldn't have taken that one. I'll show you guys the chart after this. So lost on gold and then lost on oil. So I'm gonna show you guys what happened. Let's start with oil. So I feel like sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. So this morning when I was doing my analysis, well, oil has been pretty bearish, I guess, but I was thinking it was probably gonna, like, the pullback was over based off of the daily, because it came I wish I had my mouse right now, but anyway, it came to this other block on the daily on the left here, and there was a pain hammer. So I guess I should have waited for today to see how like price reacted after this huge this bullish candle. So it was probably a pullback, to be honest. But yeah, and also, like, I don't know. Yeah, it was probably a pullback because we're still bearish, I guess. So anyway, coming on the 4 hour again, I don't know why I got in that trade. So because the 4 hour have formed this, I guess, engulfing candle at the top. So but yeah, I got in here on the 1 hour, so on this other block, because I felt like on the 1 hour price had formed this engulfing candle on the moving average, which was in the uptrend at that time. So yeah, so that's why I got in there. That was the second trade. The first one that I was in, I set 2 limit orders actually. I can't even see. So the first limit order, I guess maybe it's on my broker, but I saw like it seemed like oil have formed like an engulfing candle on the 4 hour. Now I can see it, so maybe it was on another pair. But anyway, so yeah, I got in at around 81.50 basically, but on my broker it's like 81.350. And because I was impatient, basically I got in at this top 81.50, right? Because I was impatient for price to come back to the open of the other black candle. So yeah, but I closed that trade out, and then I was okay to lose this one because I stuck. This was like according to my trading plan. So yeah, that's oil, as you can see, is is heading down. Nas, yeah, that took me out too. I got in at this other block on the 1 hour, right there. Let me here. Okay, yeah, so that's where I got in on the 1 hour, and as you can see, I got stopped out. So I got in this trade because I saw this bullish candle at the yesterday's low, and so I was thinking, I guess the pullback was over. But also this, I mean, the 1 hour was in the moving average is in a downtrend. So I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I have this. And then other times I'm just like, what the hell? Like, what was I doing? Because as you can see, like this now looking back, like this look pretty bearish, right? This huge engulfing candle on the previous day, and then another engulfing candle this morning that should have probably signaled like huge bearish pressure to me. But I think I came on the charts pretty late. Like usually I try to come on like at least 6:30, yeah, my time, which would be like 7:30 New York time, right? And also yesterday I did not analyze my chart yesterday, so I probably should have done that. If I had done that, I don't know, I probably would have seen this huge bearish engulfing candle. So yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm just like, what's going on? It's like one day you feel like you're on top of the world and you know how to trade, and then the next day you have losses, and then you're like, what the hell? So yeah, that's how I'm feeling right now. Like I'm okay, like mentally, because I'm okay mentally because I did not lose more than 1% of my account, but obviously the loss still sting, right? So it's something. And look at this price, like it looks like it looks like it's heading up basically. So but anyway, yeah, but like the loss still sting. I'm not going to get into this trade because I'm done for today. But yeah, it seemed like price just came. I guess when this candle closed, we'll see. But it's so far it seemed like price just came and it took out the low here, and then it looks like it's going back up. So that's why I don't like to like get in trades down here. Like I like to get in trade like when it first start. But I don't really understand how to get into continuation trades. That's something I'm working on. I feel like I'm more comfortable with reversals than continuation. But yeah, and then the last trade was gold. So where did I get in? Again on this order block, right there. I got in on the open, the close of this candle. That's what I set the limit order for. And as you can see, I kind of figured price would come out and take out these stops from here, but I still went ahead and did that, which like I don't know why. But anyway, so yeah, because I saw this huge bullish candle, right? I was expecting price to come back down and come here and go back up, but obviously that didn't happen, which is fine. But yeah, so yeah, those are my losses. Let me see on the 4 hour. Um, yeah, 4 hours in was the moving average was in an uptrend, and I actually just started like paying attention to my moving average. So I'm still trying to figure out how that works and see that's the daily. So yeah, the weekly was pretty. I don't know. I was expecting it to be bullish because it's pretty bullish on the week this past week. But I guess I did not do my analysis right, or maybe I got in too early. I have no idea. But I just wanted to come on here and share my losses with you guys because, like I said in my first video, a lot of us were trading or who want to be a trader, or whatever. Like we see people always talk about how much they won. Like I won like $100, 100,000 or whatever, 1,000 from gold or from this pair or that pair, but people don't really show their losses. So even, I mean, for me, it's like it's hard to film this video and put it out there, but it is what it is. I want to be pretty transparent with my trading. So yeah, that's what I came on here to show. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video up, so if you're seeing this video late, I'm sorry, because I have to like edit some of my arms and yeah, all that stuff. I have to just edit a little bit of that. So but yeah, and editing takes me a while. So but yeah, that's my trades, and I just wanted to share with you guys. So maybe it can help someone or not, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I was just sharing my losses. Hey y'all, I came back to just show you what I was talking about. I said in my earlier I said I got in here, right? And I said price will probably come, like price will probably gonna come and like take me out and go back up, which it did on NAS, and I'm so sick. I'm so sick that, look at this, like on the 4 hour. So, what I just realized though, because if you're familiar with the market makers method, they always talk about waiting until the stops are hit before trading. So that just actually popped in my mind why I was looking at this chart, and I said maybe I should try doing that. So be patient until price hit either like the previous day's low, like if they take it out, or like they take out the high or the low of the present day, right? So let's see on the 15 minute, let's see how that played out. How can I make this smaller? Okay, so we see here for today, NAS took out, well, it didn't take out the previous day's low. And where's the previous day's high? The previous day's high is here. All right, let me go ahead and draw a box on that. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, so I've gone ahead and drawn a box around the previous day's high as well. So when I came here, right, price had not taken out either the high of the day or the low of the day, and it had not taken out the previous day's high as well. So maybe, if I went with what the market makers people were saying, like waited until the low of either one of these tops were hate, right? So in this case, the low of the day was hate. And yeah, it formed this candlestick. So maybe I could have, because my bias was bullish in the first place, right? So I think maybe I got in early, and maybe that could I could have got in this trade. So who knows? I think I am going to try. I mean, price did take out this though. It took out on the 15 minute, it took out the London session high. This was like 3 a.m. in the morning, and this is the Asian high. So it did take out the London session high. So I guess maybe to be consistent, I should say like price take out either the high of the day or the low of the day. I'm not sure. So yeah, but I think I need to wait until the stops are hit, obviously. Um, and that's on NAS. With oil, I had a limit order, but I canceled my order because it didn't come down. So I had set my limit order for right there. It didn't come down. But I think with oil, before I got on the chart, as we can see, this was like 3 a.m., right? We can see that price had already taken out the previous day's low. So it seemed like there was no point for it to go back down there. So I guess the stop had already occurred. So yeah, so maybe that's why. But like, I guess I don't know. With this one, I mean, now they've taken out the high of the previous day's high, so who knows what they're doing here. But yeah, I removed my limit order because, like I said earlier, I've already lost about close to 1%, so I'm done for today. So I'm just gonna see how this trade plays out. But my prediction is it'll probably just come down here, something on the moving average, and then go back up. I don't know. So yeah, and then see with gold, I lost, but then if I had been paying attention, like there was a huge on the 1 hour, there's an evening star here, right? So I could have waited, see price took out the high, and then it came down. So on the 15 minute, if I went down to 15 minute, basically a false breakout. So yeah, so maybe I could have waited until price took out either the high or the low, but I just like, I would say, I guess blindly, yeah, I just blindly like set my stop loss and went about my business. So yeah, definitely something to work on and something to take into consideration. And let me see for oil, what happened in oil. 1 hour price took out, price had taken out the previous day's high for oil. It had taken out the previous day's high, and then for this one, so this is at 8. Let's see which high. It didn't take out any highs, but it came pretty close to the London high, which are at 3 a.m. But still, like if I had waited, okay, and I was seeing like price went up and didn't like, I guess, close above the London high or whatever, but it closed down, maybe I could have got in this trade. And also on the daily, actually, I just saw if I remove this, let me go ahead and remove. Okay, so price on the daily, it seemed like it's already in a downtrend. If we look at this moving average, like it crossed over like 2 days ago, on the 12th, whenever that was. Today is the 16th. So I guess last week or the weekend, whatever. Yeah, last Friday, so moving average had crossed. So obviously it was a pullback because it had just crossed on the daily. So yeah, it's just all these little things I'm learning. I'm kind of glad I'm doing this, even though I'm not making money. It's it sucks, but it's fine. I feel like the money will come, right? But honing in my technique and all that is pretty important, and also just learning to be patient. Because if I was patient, right, I probably wouldn't have gotten in like the gold trade and the first oil trade, and then I would probably still have like one more chance to trade today, and I would have probably taken some of these trades. Like I would probably taken the oil trade or the NAS, I guess now, if it comes down here though. But I'm not going to get in any of these trades, like I said, because it's reached my daily limit. So yeah, let's see, US 30. Oh, I already went over this, and NAS. Yeah, I went over these as well. So yeah, but anyway, yeah. So I'm just trying to be discipline and try to preserve capital as much as possible. So yeah, but yeah, that's it. I just saw my first on my first day of this new account. I have already lost what like almost 1%. So I want to keep posting this for me for accountability. But like I said, maybe this would encourage someone else as well. Like, you're not the only person losing, and you're not, we're all striving to get better at trading. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.